Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can play local files or how you can add local files to Spotify which is not available on Spotify, how you can play it, right? So as you can see here right now I am in Spotify desktop version and we have to go to the three lines which is on top left side corner. So you have to click on here, and after that we have to go to the second option, edit, and we have to choose the last option, that is preferences. You can also go by just clicking Ctrl+P, that is a shortcut key, and we have to scroll a little bit down, and as you can see here that we have to just turn it on, right, this show local files. And as soon as you will turn it on, there will drop down two more features which is on show songs from downloads and music libraries. So if you have any file, if you have any mp3 file, a song, a podcast, anything which is in audio format, which is in mp3, if it is in download folders or if it is in music player, you can, it will add automatically, right? And if you have it a different source, then just click on add a source, and after that you will able to connect to that, right? And after that you have to just go to your home, and here it will show an option of your download wherever your file is located, right? So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really useful, and if you did, like this video right now, subscribe our channel, and see you in the next video. Till the time, take care, goodbye.